guys, I'm back at the property and it feels great. I'm just waiting for my brother to get here. I'm hoping I have everything that he's gonna need. I got my chainsaw, my little chainsaw gas. He could wear my chaps. I have 2 wedges, a normal size one and a baby one. He's gonna let me know if we need another one. If we do, we're gonna go next door and ask the neighbor if we could borrow one of his. But I'm excited to see my brother, and I'm excited for him to tell me how to cut this down successfully without either of us getting hurt. So stay tuned. You can meet my brother Woody. He's not named Woody because of trees or nothing. He got that name from his very first babysitter when he was a little guy, and it's stuck with him ever since. But pretty soon you're gonna meet Woody, and yes, let's have some fun. Where you grab that?
Huh?
Where are you cutting at?
Right here.
You don't need a wedge or nothing yet?
Yeah, in a second.
I bought 18 inch for $400 with the battery. 18 inch jack is too heavy, but the battery one, nice. So I just got that, but like I couldn't get another one yet.
Battery?
The battery has come on it. For $400 with the battery and charger. 18 inches.
Is it worth it? Is it worth anything?
They're both sexy for a chainsaw.
I know, but does it have any power? Battery power chainsaw?
That's a battery powered one. If you're gonna run it, it has to be good.
There goes your chain.
I know.
Must not have been very tight, huh?
I always leave a little slack. Am I not supposed to leave any slack?
Well, no, you want a little bit, but does it have bar oil and stuff in it?
Yeah, there's oil, fuel, it's all golden.
I probably should have checked all that before
Well, I did.
just started going.
No, that's...
Oh, yeah.
But now I just want to know, like, when I've been cutting stuff, like, where I screwed up and it almost rolled on me, I've been cutting, like, wedges in the top. So that it will least likely pinch my chainsaw. Is that what you're going to do, or are you just going to cut down, then cut up?
I'm probably going to cut down. Yeah, we'll see how bad it is, right? Because it's going to have quite a bit of pressure, but probably come down. I'm already over halfway through, and see how it goes, and then might drive a wedge in there, but going to come up, and then what you do is you go on the side that's probably, well, both of these are going to fall, but we'll go on the side of it about 1 chain width, and then it should fall without finding the blade.
That's what, like, one of the 3 videos I saw on YouTube before this was, yeah, you cut underneath it, but not directly.
Yeah, most of the time that works out pretty good, and it'll probably work good here. We'll just see how it goes.
Do you know what kind of tree this is? I just know it's not an alder. Like, it's a...
No, it's not an alder. It's a,
like a hemlock, spruce, birch.
yeah. It's a hemlock. I'm not very good at my tree ID anymore. It's been too long since I went through that
FFA stuff.
whatever deal.
Or agriculture.
Yeah, I've never been good at the tree IDs. I didn't spend enough time doing it. I know how to find a cottonwood though, because I like to pick mushrooms.
I got mushrooms, just none of them are good ones. I got fake morels up there, but it says they'll make you sick.
What? Who told you that?
Google. They're not real morels, they're called fake morels.
Yeah, all we have here is false morels. There's no...
The black ones. But they don't look like the ones that are by, like, the cow poop.
I don't know what the hell you're talking about.
Like the ones that Benny would pick, they're not like those ones.
No, they're not, eh?
No. Because whenever I see one, I Google picture it. So I'm like, I want to find one good mushroom on all this property. And I found lots, but no good ones yet.
I'm sure there's some here.
I'm like, I need cow poop. I mean, I have a swamp. Well, a creek that's like a swamp. So I have the moisture, I have the coverage. Just haven't found any good ones yet.
Lucky, it's kind of bound up there, so it didn't even roll.
And this one, it's pretty much even. I can cut it into chunks.
Yeah. What about that? What are you gonna do about that?
That's a great question.
Oh, might as well.
See, I have some folded up in that one. It's not like I tried to help you, but it's not the right one for myself. So the chainsaw. Go for it, Wood.
Okay.
You know what you're gonna do?
No.
Baby one if you want that one.
I just don't really know what it's gonna do. This one kind of stresses me out.
If you feel safe for cutting it down here. Safe.
I think should roll back that way.
Out of the way so I don't get hurt. They're unpredictable. What happened?
Huh?
What happened?
That bottom cut. I was wondering why I didn't go all the way through. It's not. I didn't do it very straight.
Most likely.
I think it's probably going to go that way, yeah. I don't know. That's a good way.
Hey, that was 3D printed. I got this baby one, Wood.
All right, here we go.
That's not good. Did you wedge it with the axe in the top or no?
Huh?
Can you use like the axe of the way?
There's nothing holding it together right now.
Karate kick it.
The tension of this wedge is what's holding it together, I think. When it goes, it's gonna go.
Still doesn't want to go. Oh, stud. Man muscle, sweet. Then that should be easy, because as I cut, it'll just drop off.
No, well.
Thank you, Wood. I appreciate it. Got that down.
I was in a pretty big bind. Surprised it didn't pinch up. But
yeah, you're good.
But now it's gonna, I think I took enough weight off of there to where it's not gonna be terrible, but.
I just don't want to wear after that rolling on you.
Oh, it's not gonna roll on me. I'm not worried about that. I'm worried about rocking your chain though. All this fucking garbage.
Well, it's still good firewood. Yeah, I think it's dry.
Up here might be, but this whole root's
dead. That's why it's fell over. Careful, Wood.
Huh?
I just gotta cut it up now.
Yeah. Yeah. We'll roll that off of that stump and then everything will be